The 2025 Formula One season promises to bring changes that go beyond tracks and engines. After the challenges faced at the 2023 Qatar GP, where extreme heat caused discomfort and even health problems for several drivers, Formula One mobilized to find solutions. The result? A revolutionary cooling system developed with cutting-edge technology and designed to transform the comfort of drivers in the most adverse conditions. So far, the solutions adopted have been limited. Small changes in the chassis to allow more fresh air entry. But given the seriousness of the problem, that was not enough. The FIA then sought a partner of weight, Chill Out Motorsports. This US company already had experience in other categories of motor racing, such as WEC and NASCAR, as well as working in sectors such as medicine and defense. The mission was to adapt existing technology to the requirements of Formula One, with a focus on performance and safety. The heart of the system is a high-tech T-shirt, equipped with about 48 meters of tubes that cover the driver's chest and back. These tubes carry a cooled fluid by a compact housing which houses components such as microcompressor, evaporator, and condenser. Charles Klein, founder of Chill Out Motorsports, explains that the certification of the T-shirt was one of the biggest challenges. The FIA's requirements for fire safety are extremely strict. It took years of testing to create something lightweight, functional, and safe. Adapting this system to Formula One cars also required creative solutions. Engineers had to find space in the monoblocks, which were never designed to accommodate a device like this. From positioning it behind the pedals to the sides of the chassis, each team will need to customize the installation to meet their needs in 2025. By 2026, however, the system will be integrated into new car designs, eliminating the need for external batteries and making the device even lighter. Another highlight is the impact of the system on performance. Although the device weighs less than 2 kilograms, the FIA has increased the minimum mass of cars by 5 kilograms to accommodate the external battery needed in 2025. According to Klein, this temporary solution avoids complex changes in the electrical configuration of cars. In 2026, with the new regulation, the system will be powered directly by the monolayer itself. But what does this mean in practice? The driver's body temperature can be reduced in a controlled way, maintaining the ideal balance to avoid problems such as overheating or falling performance. The goal is not only to cool, but also to maximize comfort and efficiency of drivers in extreme conditions. With the launch of this system, Formula One reaffirms its commitment to safety and innovation. What do you think about this new feature? Do you believe that this system can influence the performance of drivers? Leave your opinion in the comments. And if you like this content, sign up to our channel so you don't miss any news from the world of Formula One.